What's going on, everyone? Coach CJ here, your trading coach, and I want to take you guys through another HyperDrive Live recap from our session Friday, September 8th, 2023. All right, it was a very active session. It was a great session. It was an easy session. It's the type of market that we want to see every single day, and we get it most days. As you know, if you watched the recap yesterday, we got absolutely slapped. And as I said there, it don't matter. We're going to come back tomorrow, rinse and repeat, do the exact same thing, and get a different result. And that's exactly what happened. As you guys know, if you've seen any of the other recap videos, these green lines represent the range in which I'm only looking for triangle entries. One of our 4 entry points is a triangle, and I'm only looking for those during that green line. This one right here is the start of New York session, 8 a.m. Eastern. This one right here is the start of our actual live trading session, which we do Monday through Friday at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. We had 3 triangle opportunities during that range. This first one ended up being a 20-point close. All right, ran into profit a little bit, then it came back and closed underneath the low of our entry of our triangle candle. And that's just an invalidation trick that I teach in the course. All right, it allows us to get out of trades that either are early or completely wrong. And as you can see, we did end up buying up. So we were just early on this. Let me back up for a second. Let me just remind you, the reason why we were buying in the first place is because we were blue on the top and we were blue on the bottom. That's as simple as we make the decision. No other jargon needed, no structure needed, no other time frames needed, none of that. We simply made that decision because we were blue on the top and blue on the bottom. All right, so this first triangle was a minus 20, but this next triangle and this next triangle was two of our 4 to 5 TP1s that we got literally in a matter of minutes after having this early close. So this one we took at 9, hit TP1. This one we took at 9:20, hit TP1, right? So both of these triangles worked out just fine. That is securing the bag, made up for that 20-point loss easily, and we were already in profit for the day. All right, and then we kept going because the session just started at 9:20, and these were just 3 moves that we got beforehand. So now that we're live, for those of you guys that weren't watching or weren't around their devices to get these signals, now it's their turn to also be able to eat. And so we were looking at the J4 as an option. Now this looks like it touched because this is in hindsight, but this did not touch during our live session. Now there were some people that that said it was close enough, so they got in, and I believe it was just the BE, right? But this one right here actually did come down and touch. I actually took 2 entries. I replayed on the live session. I replayed the triangle entry here, and then I split my risk, and then I also took another entry at the J4. Both, obviously, you can see went to hit TP1. Then we had another triangle right before we actually broke out of this area. Took this triangle as well, also hit TP1. Then we had the HGH close above. That's another entry point, and it came back and retest. Boom, also hit TP1. So personally, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 TP1s today, and there was a lot of people in the community that did the exact same thing. And again, this is why I stress we remain the same no matter what. We have our system. We have a proper risk management plan, trade management plan. We have a proper plan in place that will allow us to remove ourselves from days that are not going to go our way based off of how the market is being delivered, and put us in place to be able to still have skin in the game, to be able to be a part of the opportunities that will come the very next day. And that is a prime example of how Thursday was a red day, and today was through the moon with profits for the entire community. All right. If you want to learn how to do this, right? If you want to be a part of our live trading sessions or have access to the indicator itself, you can join us at tradestyle.co. We do this every single day. Now it's Friday, so our next trading session won't be till Monday, but you can use this weekend to actually start to study, because once you learn this, you can earn this and it's yours, right? You also, like I said, have access to the live trading, and you'll get access to the indicator. So you can click the link in the description, tradestyle.co, and get signed up, and you'll be able to have access to all of that and then be able to hop on our Monday session. If you're liking these recaps, leave a comment, like the page, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to continue doing these with a bunch of more content that will show you how easy, how simple trading can be, and how you can capitalize on this skill set. If you learn it, then you'll be able to earn it. All right. For the weekend, have an amazing one. Stay patient, stay consistent, and your breakthrough will come. Again, I am Coach CJ, and I will see you in class. Peace out.